God is for us, who can be against us? His mighty power holds us firm. There is no one like him, there is none before him. If we are his, our way is sure. If our God is for us, he will always lead us to paths of righteousness and hope. If it brings us goodness, he will not withhold it, for from his hands all blessings flow. What shall we say but hallelujah? For none can take us from his love. He won't forsake the ones he died to save. Yes, our God is for us. If our God is for